Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what ingredients you should buy from Massimo Daily in Heartopia. So, usually I would just get milk and then coffee beans for like lattes because they do sell for a lot in my opinion. I sell it with grape jams and I get a lot of money from it. If you're still like cooking mushroom pies and truffle pies, you are going to want to also purchase some eggs. And because the Fashion Wave event is coming soon, also stock up on butter. Those are the four important ones. I think they're also going to release the grass cake, which you need matcha powder for. So you might want to stock up on that. And don't delete your weed because you also need that as an ingredient for the grass cake. Um, it might come when the fashion wave is here as well on 21st of March. So yeah, just stock up on those ingredients for that. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!